Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage financial freedom with SoFi, complete guide step by step clearly. To achieve financial freedom using SoFi, start by visiting the SoFi website to explore your options. Create an account by providing your personal details and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, take the time to evaluate your financial goals. Determine whether you want to save for retirement, pay down debt, or invest in the stock market. After identifying your goals, familiarize yourself with the various financial products offered by SoFi. Explore their student loan refinancing options to potentially lower your monthly payments and interest rates. If you're looking to invest, consider SoFi's automated investing platform. This will help you build a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk preferences. For those focused on savings, check out SoFi's high-yield savings account. This account offers competitive interest rates to help your money grow. If debt is your concern, look into SoFi's personal loans for debt consolidation. Assess your existing debts and calculate how a personal loan could simplify your payments. Next, leverage SoFi's budgeting tools to track your expenses and income. By monitoring your spending habits, you can identify areas to cut back. Stay informed on personal finance topics through SoFi's educational resources. Webinars and articles can deepen your understanding of investing and saving strategies. Consider engaging with the SoFi community for support and shared experiences. Utilize SoFi's financial advisors to get personalized guidance tailored to your situation. Once you're comfortable with your financial plan, set regular check-ins to stay on track. Adjust your budget and investments as needed based on your progress and life changes. Commit to continuous learning about finance to stay informed about new opportunities. Celebrate your milestones along the way, no matter how small they may seem. With dedication and the right tools, you can confidently work towards achieving financial freedom with SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.